खाली को प्रेस करार अच्छे प्रेस कले सर्किटा कंप्लीट एटा या सहित लगी गले वाइब्रेशन हो छुई के देखो आपण जानि एडी तळे तळे मोटर लागि छि एठी आ सो दैट तो जतले वाइब्रेशन हो से माटी थ्रू रे ट्रांसफर हो जदि पाखा पाखी कोई सापड़े थिबो से पड़ेबा साप कामरा ने मोची ग्रेट मेन जिनस है एटा को हमें बहुत जगह व्यवहार करते हैं आजकल मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग वॉक में जाउछन तो किछि नहीं से भी बाड़ी ये भी बाड़ी खाली वॉकिंग की जगह या फिर रिप्लेस कर देले से माने जदि से भी जगह जाउछन बण जगह रास्ता अछि एटा व्यवहार करते हैं कि चासी माने जाउछन 400 फुट आजकल ट्रेकिंग पे भी माउंटेनियरिंग पे चढ़िया जाउछन यूज करते
यस थैंक यू
तो ये एक्चुअली बहुत कम आसवा पिलाମାନଙ୍କର ଜିନିଷରେ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଜରେ ଏଜୁକେସନରେ ଆଉ ମେଡ଼ିକାଲ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କର ସବୁ ପିଲାଙ୍କର ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ ବଡ଼ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ କ୍ୟୁବି 6% ଆମେ ବ୍ଲାକବୋର୍ଡ ଡାଇଗ୍ରାମ କଲେ ପିଲାମାନେ ବୁଝିପାରିବେ ସେଇଟା ଆମକୁ ଆମର ଟିଚର୍ସ ମାନେ ଆମକୁ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଦେଉଥିଲେ ଲାଇକ୍ ବକ୍ସ କିଛି ପିଲା ଆମକୁ ରୋଲ କରିକି ଆମେ ଏବେ ଦେଖେଇ ପାରିବା ଅଲଗା ଜିନିଷ ଯୋଉଟା ପୁଅର ପିଲାମାନେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ବୁଝିପାରିବେନି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଏଇଟା ରୋଲ କରିବା ବହୁତ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ ହେବ ଆଉ ତା ସହିତ ଏଇଟା ଯେଉଁ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଜରେ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ରହିଛି ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଇଜିଲି ଶୋ କରିପାରିବା
ये 3D इफेक्ट नहीं
ଏଇଟା ଛୋଟ ବେଷ୍ଟ ବଡ଼ ବେଷ୍ଟ ଖାଲି ଏଜୁକେସନ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଜ ମେଡ଼ିକାଲର ଯାହା ବଡ଼ିମାନଙ୍କ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ଜାଣିବା ଆମେ କରିପାରିବା ଏଇଟା କିଛି ନାହିଁ ତାର ଏଇଟା ଏବେ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ବେଶୀ ଡେଭଲପ୍ ହେଇନି ଖାଲି ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଜ ଦେଇଛି ଏଜୁକେସନରେ ହେଇନି ଏଜୁକେସନରେ ହେଉଛି ବାହାର କଣ୍ଟ୍ରିଜରେ ବହୁତ ଅଛି ଯାହାଦ୍ୱାରା ତାଙ୍କର ରାପିଡଲି ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କର ଗ୍ରୋଥ୍ ଅଛି ସେଇଟା ଆମେ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ବି କରିବା ଦରକାର ତାହେଲେ ପିଲାମାନେ ଏସବୁ ବୁଝିବେ ଏସବୁ କାମରେ କିଛି ଇଣ୍ଟରଫେରେନ୍ସ କରିବ ଇଣ୍ଟରଫେରେନ୍ସରେ କନେକ୍ସନ୍ ରଖିପାରିବେ ତା ସହିତ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଜରେ ବି ଆହୁରି ବଢ଼ିବା କଥା ତାହେଲେ ଇକୋନୋମିକ୍ ଗ୍ରୋଥ୍ ସବୁ କିଛି ଭଲ ହେବ ତୋର
हाँ दे बुझा दी कौन प्रोजेक्ट कर
Here in this project we can find the number of lines passing through non-collinear points. Here we have 2 points, 1 line can pass through it. Here we have 3 number of non-collinear points, so 3 lines can pass through it. Here we have 4 number of non-collinear points, so 4 lines can pass through it. But in this case there are 5 number of non-collinear points, so this is hard to find. There is an easy formula for it, which is n into n minus 1 by 2. Here we have 5 number of points, so we will subtract 1 from it, which is 4. Now we will multiply 5 with 4, which is 20. Now we will divide 20 with 2, which is 10. So here we have 8 number of lines passing through. Similarly, we can do all the questions till infinity.
So now in this project we can find that the maximum number of points of intersecting through given number of points. Here when the 2 lines are intersected, then there is only 1 point of intersecting, and when there are 3 lines intersected, then there are 3 points of intersecting. When the 4 lines are intersected, there are 6 points of intersecting, which is present in this figure. But if the 5 lines are intersected, then it will little bit difficult to find out the number of intersecting. So there is a formula. The formula is 1 plus series summation plus n minus 1, and n is the number of lines. If there are 5 lines, so we will subtract it with 1, which is 4. Then the numbers which are present between 1 and 4 is 1, 2 and 3. Then we will find the sum of together the numbers. We will add 1 with 2, which is 3. Then we will add it with 3, which is 6. Then we will add it with 4, which is 10. So there are
सैटेलाइट कम्युनिकेशन कौन कौन
the lines power give signal to satellite amplifying it and give to Earth.
Artificial satellite is a man-made object which revolves around the Earth. India has launched a number of satellites to space for transmitting sounds, transmitting pictures, etc. You can watch a badminton played in Beijing through a satellite in sitting comfort of your home.
The satellite gets energy from sun through 2 solar cells.
A satellite is a small object that orbits a larger object in space. A satellite can be natural or artificial, made by people. All the planets except Mercury and Venus are natural satellite systems.
Earth, Moon is two examples of them.
The satellite uses navigation, forecasters, and telecommunication.
A satellite can carry 18,000 miles per hour. A satellite can be natural artificial made by people and receive the data and send the data to Earth.
It gives us advanced warning like communication, cyclone and floods.
Rohini is the series of satellites that launched by the Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO).
Organization.
The Rohini series consisted of 4 satellites, each of which was launched by Satellite Launch Vehicle (SLV).
Communications gives us telecommunication, television, telephone, radio, etc.
The Rohini satellite is India's first satellite made in India and launched by India. The Rohini series was launched by ISRO. The Rohini series consists of 4 satellites and they are RTP, RS-1, RSD-1, RSD-2. The Rohini series was for experimental purpose. The Rohini series launched by India in the date of 10 August 1979 on Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, and the symbol of the Rohini satellite is chariot.
The satellite communication, when the communication takes place between 2 or more entities of medium or channel. Thank you.
So, what is geostationary satellite? Don't know? Okay, good. Rainwater detection. Okay.
The main objective is just while the rain initiates to fall, and we have used low-cost materials such as you can see 9-volt battery, a buzzer, a switch, and wires. And this is a transistor. And here we have used 2 plates.
In quantum physics, there's the concept of the working principle behind this, which is based on open and closed circuit system. So when now you can see there is a gap between them, so current will not flow.
क्या प्रोजेक्ट क्या है बताओ? क्या है इंटीजर में? So how does your project work?
So in this project, we can add or subtract integers to the range of +10 to -10. And that's any question.
So add 5 plus minus 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus minus 7. So answer is minus 2.
Good.
Let me ask you one question. What if integers are numbers which include 0, positive numbers and negative numbers, then what is difference between integer and whole number?
Integers are the numbers along with the whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on.
Means in integers negative numbers include.
What is non